Good afternoon. My name is Joel Keune. I am the owner of a company called Hygiene Innovations. We are in the process of partnering with PHS for a very exciting time. The start of this came a number of years ago when I started Hygiene Innovations. We were importing a product out of America that supposedly released enzymatic bacteria and did all sorts of weird and wonderful things. And over a coffee one Sunday morning, I said to my wife that I did not think that it was possible that they could do it. So on the Monday, I took the samples from the warehouse, I sent them to the laboratory, and lo and behold, when they came back, they were a smelly piece of plastic that, yes, they probably did stop cigarette butts and chewing gum going down the pipes, but that was it. I then had a meeting with a good friend of mine who was into microbiology at Queensland University, and I came up with an idea that he seconded. So we went forward and we made what was called the Ultimate One screen. That has now morphed into the Ultimate Turbo screen, which is available now, and along the way we developed what we feel is by far the best enzymatic cleaning block in the world. We did this in conjunction with PHS after a meeting some 14 months ago with the management here. We have progressed, and I think we are in a very, very exciting phase at this moment.